Well, hello everyone, Dan Prospecting here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope during your subscription today. I'm here at BC Marble Products with a massive chunk of ocean picture stone. They're gonna cut it down on their big wire saw for me, making some really big display slabs. And I am hoping for a personal piece to polish up and put in my living room. Huge piece. So today, BC Marble Products, playing with stones. Wish me luck, and I hope you enjoy. I'm here today at BC Marble Products with a huge chunk of ocean picture stone. Tom, the owner here, is offered to cut some big slabs out of it for me today, and I get to watch the wire saw in action. We are so excited. This thing has a huge band of blue, white on top, host on the bottom. I can't wait to see some big slabs of it come out off of that giant saw right there. Now this is a wire saw, not a blade saw like I usually they're splitting rock inside like I usually use. This wire here, each one of these metal beads on it is impregnated with diamonds. There's diamonds throughout, and it spins in this great big bandsaw like contraption, and as this goes through the rock, the diamonds just scrape away the rock over and over and over again until it makes a cut, a horizontal cut. Or in this case, this whole machine moves up and down as well, so they're gonna mount my rock on here, and they're just gonna bring the blade right down through it. We're hoping for, one really good end cap, and then maybe like 5 to 10 slabs. That would be awesome. There's some of the marble they're cutting here. BC Marble Products on Vancouver Island. And there's the rock on the table. It's a happening. Wet getting in close. That cuts way faster than my saws. We get to see if I chose the right rock. Oh, yeah. Nice. Coming this way. And here we go for the first slab. getting better. Nice. There, Tom, hold that in front of you. Nice. I hear the saw winding up for the next cut. And there's cut 3. That's good. It's Jack Whittles.
Hello!
This is so much fun.
This is a blast. There's no idea how good a feeling this is.
Oh. Getting thick and frictionated. That's awesome. Inch thick slabs. Yeah, let's get out of here without tripping. It's getting thick. There's slab 4, 5, 5. Jack, you want to go and do the reveal here?
Okay.
Looks like it's getting better. Better and better.
Ta-da.
Oh yeah. More and more blue in every one.
Wow, it's getting deeper. Yeah, it's going way down here.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh yeah.
Every slab better than the last. Look at it. It's crazy. So Tom, you're a marble manufacturer. Tell us a little bit about your business.
Well, first off, I guess everything we do here is locally produced and sourced. We quarry our own stone, manufactured here in Chemainus. So we produce, we quarry white marble, black and white marble on the west coast of the island, blue and brown sandstone on Gabriola, salt and pepper granite, blue granite from over at the mouth of Jarvis Inlet. And we bring it here and we cut it into a variety of products. Virtually anything that if you can dream it, we can make it.
Awesome. So all the marble you mine yourself.
Yes.
Black and white marble. We have some granites here.
Yep.
You had some white marble. Where was the white marble you had? This is your white marble.
Yes, that's right.
And you mine, well, there you go. Black and white marble, your sandstones, your granites, everything you mine yourself.
That's correct.
And then manufacture it here.
That's right. Any shape, any size.
Awesome. It's BC Marble Products. BC Marble Products?
BC Marble Products.
BC Marble Products in Chemainus on Vancouver Island. One last cut for a big display piece for me. I gotta get me one. Wow. And there it goes. Right? The huge rock all cut into pieces. There are some beautiful display pieces there.
Bang. Right? That's right. You got it. Twist.
What an amazing day at BC Marble Products. These guys here are awesome. They did so much great work for me. They didn't charge me anything, just anything. They are amazing. If you have any ideas of anything that you need done, marble, stone, countertops, fireplaces, anything like that, and you are in BC, these guys are an awesome resource. Check them out, BC Marble Products. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me that thumbs up. If I haven't earned your subscription yet, I hope I earned it today. And a big thanks to everyone for watching. Until the next one, bye.